Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is very cold and snowy outside, but also sunny, as you can see. It looks very nice. I love snow weather. I will show you a solution or some solutions that I found for technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you. Bye.